Hello and welcome to How Much, where I discuss how much YouTubers earn off their ad revenue on YouTube. My name is Cynthia Moses. This channel is for informational and educational purposes only. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and stay up to date on how much your favorite YouTubers make. So you might be wondering, just how do YouTubers get paid? They make money by running ads on their videos. The money earned is determined by the channel's CPM, cost per 1,000 views. Most channels on YouTube earn a $4 CPM. That's $4 per 1,000 views. That is a very conservative estimate, as CPM is determined by the demographics of the viewers, where they are viewing the video and what time of day it is. The CPM can also be higher depending on the channel's content. The content creator keeps 55% of the ad revenue, while YouTube's cut is 45%. In this video, we are going to look at Chef Brian Tsao. Chef Brian hosts a YouTube channel that is cooking related, as he is a world-famous chef and won Season 1 of Beat Bobby Flay. His channel really picked up steam a couple years ago when he switched formats to reacting to horrible YouTube chefs, mainly the Cooking with Jack show. Chef Brian's most popular videos on the platform have several hundreds of thousands of views. The channel earns tens of thousands of views consistently per upload. In this video, we'll discuss the ad revenue Chef Brian Tsao earns annually. Chef Brian earns 889,617 views per month. Multiply that by 12 and Chef Brian earns 10,675,000 views annually. With a 4% CPM, let's see where Chef Brian Tsao is at in ad revenue. 10,675,000 times 0.004 equals $42,702. YouTube takes 45% of the ad revenue, and Chef Brian Tsao keeps 55%. $42,702 times 0.55 equals $23,486. This is only an estimate. Chef Brian Tsao has over 157,000 subscribers. He averages around 5,000 new subscribers every month. Thank you for watching. Please comment below if there is a channel you would like us to discuss in a future video. Be sure to like the video by hitting the thumbs up, comment down below, and remember to subscribe if you enjoyed our content. Take care and see you soon.